The girl is beside herself with happiness. For the first time, the city roll saw the milk from his hole. Dressed in her best dress, she left the hedge with a can of milk in the hedge. As he walked, shook the milk in the can, and did the same tricks in your hedge.
I see milk and boil a dozen eggs. Then cut the fish, eggs, and 1 chicks. Can the chicks grow? I will have birth cokes and ants. Say the rooster and hens great, which were great potatoes eggs. Shock will have more eggs and fruits. I see everything and buy I good and some nuts. I've give each nut 3 ticks, some 2, I take 1 end.
The girl was so stylish that he tripped on a rock, lost his balance and fell down. Gone is the milk which boiled on the floor. And the eggs, chickens, roosters, chickens, goats, sows, and piglets in the air. Moral: you should not rely on time before we get it.
Milk 12.
Não, vai.
When Carefish 1. Cadê o ovo? Tá bom? Não, começa de novo. 12 eggs and checks. When checks grow, queen have beautiful cocks and hens. Tá, chega.
Solta a galinha, solta a galinha.
Não solta assim. Põe no chão. Feia, velho. Ai, que tá criança da galinha agora. Aí você vai picar eu. Ele gostou de ser, Luana, ó.
Vai, pega ele, pega ele.
No colo?
Solta ele.
É pesado.
Sai direito.
Olha o tamanho da pã. Mostra. Olha pra câmera. Não olha, Luana. O artista não pode olhar pra câmera. Faz carinho nela.
Aí, pronto.
Vai perto do outro agora. Ai, isso é feio.